Hello aspirants, I'm your host Tejinder Kaur. Welcome to my channel Authentic Mentor. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now I'm going to share some reading tips. Let's have a look. First tip is on timing. Divide 60 minutes into 15 minutes so that you can answer questions in 45 minutes. If one passage out of 3 is difficult, you can give rest 15 minutes to that passage. Do not waste time in entire reading. Leave that question which takes you more time. Moreover, every type of question has its own way to do. Read fast as much as you can. Next tip, read for gist. Skim read the passage to get a sense of topic. At the same time, underline keywords such as names, dates, and paraphrased words. Read first two lines and last two lines to find heading title. Mostly this tricks works. If not work, then match the keywords. Next tip is on prepositions. Focus on prepositions like into, onto, above. They make reading tricky, so work on prepositions as preposition plays crucial role in reading. Here I have an example. I will arrive on Monday and I will arrive by Monday. Here on is fixed preposition that he will definitely arrive on Monday. In the second line, he will arrive by Monday. Here by is not fixed. He will arrive before Monday but not after Monday. These type of prepositions used in true false not given to confuse you. Next step is read questions first. Reading first questions help in finding keywords and saves time. Then underline the words to find out what they mean according to context. Next tip is on vocabulary. Do not scared of difficult words while reading. You will understand when you read next line. Learn synonym of commonly used words used in Ielts all modules. Moreover, getting used to difficult passages, practice online free Cambridge textbooks, most recent to develop your reading skills. Guesswork, if you missed some answers, mark something as you may get it right. There is no negative marking in Ielts. You do not get penalty for wrong answers. Try your luck. Next tip is know your weakness. You must check the reasons why you are getting wrong or right answers. Because of time or grammar, start practice on weakness. It is usually said that practice makes man perfect, so practice and practice. And do not forget to like and share. Thank you.